The development of Beech Hill Estate in Halifax Published, 11:53 Friday the 28th of September 2018. September's full meeting of Calderdale Council has approved inclusion of £1.4 million in its capital programme to allow demolition and infrastructure works to be completed and, subject to £797,000 being made available by the West Yorkshire Combined Authority, of which Calderdale is part, remediation works at the Beech Hill site to be undertaken. In all, Calderdale Council's joint project with Together Housin, supported by the WYCA, will see £76 million investment in the borough, providing around 100 new homes initially. This first phase of new homes is expected to be completed by 2022.